Hello friends, today I will show you how to delete all your mail at once. This is very simple to do, but before moving forward, comment below why you want to delete all your mails at once. Now, let's move directly to my mobile screen. First of all, open the Chrome application on your device, and then click on these three dots, and then click on Desktop Site to turn it on. Now confirm that the email from this account you have logged into is the one you want to delete. If not, click on your profile, expand this, and select the account from which you want to delete all your emails. After that, simply search for Gmail in the search bar, and then click on the first site, Gmail. Now you can see that all your emails are showing. Here, expand the More options and then click on All Mails. After that, tick the top box, but you can see that only 50 emails have been selected. To select all your emails at once, slide this page a little bit to the left side and then click on Select All Conversations in All Mail. Again, slide to the left side and then simply click on this dustbin icon. After that, just click on OK to confirm the bulk action. Now, wait for a few seconds if you have thousands of emails. Alright, friends, as you can see, all emails have been deleted successfully. But keep in mind that this is not a permanent deletion. It is still recoverable. Deleted emails have been moved to the trash, where your emails are automatically deleted after 30 days. If you want to permanently delete your emails, click on More to expand it, and then simply click on Trash. As you can see, all your deleted emails have moved to trash, so just click on Empty Trash Now, which is written in blue color, and then click on OK to confirm deleting messages. And wait for a few seconds. Alright, friends, as you can see, all emails have been permanently deleted. You can now go back, open your Gmail application, and check to confirm whether all your emails have been successfully deleted or not. If you found this video useful, then please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.